my name is Ellie. Today I'll be showing you how to find the exact value of a radian and how to put it in a simplified radical form. Here is an example. The question here is find the exact value, leave answers in simplified radical form. The first one we have sec, which is 1 over cosine. 7 pi over 6. As we see on the graph, on the circle, 7 pi over 6 is 210 degrees. And sec is the opposite of cosine. That means it's negative square root of 3 over 2. So now we do 1 over negative square root of 3 over 2. To find the exact value, we do 1 times, we switch the two numbers, so it will be 1 times 2 over the square root of 3 equals negative 2 over square root of 3. We cannot have a square root in the bottom, so we multiply it on both sides. And then we get negative 2 square root of 3 over 3. The roots cancel out. The next one is cot. That's 1 over tan. Tan is sine over cosine, but the opposite is cos over sine. When we do on the calculator, negative 2, 180, divided by 3, we get negative 120. Since we're going negative, it will be 240 degrees. Now, since cot is cos over cosine, we have to do the opposite. You have to do negative 1/2 over 3 pi over 2. Negative square root 3 over 2. And then, here, when we do negative 1/2 over negative square root 3 over 2, the negatives cancel out, and so does the 2. So we're left with 1 equals negative square root of 3. We know we can't have a square root in the bottom, so we multiply it by 3, the square root of 3 on both sides. And we get negative square root of 3 over 3. The other example is the secant. That's 1 over sine. We have 11 pi over 4. When we put that in a calculator, 11 pi over 4, we get 11, 180. Divided by 4, we get 495. If we subtract that by 360, we'll get 135. Secant is 1 over sine. So when we look at 135 on the graph, here, the sine is negative 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. Now we do, since it's cosine, it's 1 over sine, we do 1 over negative square root of 2 over 2. Now we're going to apply them by 1. 1 times, we switch the numbers, and we get 1 times negative 2 over the square root of 2. And that equals negative 2 over the square root of 2. We multiply it by both sides, and we get negative 2 square root of 2 over 2. We cancel the 2's out, and we get with negative square root of 2. And that's how you solve these 3 problems and put them in simplified radical form. Thank you so much.